Greetings, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a mouth-watering journey that celebrates the creativity and diversity of cuisine, the art of culinary fusion. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds as we explore the world of flavor combinations and cultural crossovers. Culinary fusion is the delightful marriage of ingredients, techniques, and traditions from different culinary backgrounds. It's like a symphony of flavors, where cultural boundaries are crossed to create something entirely new and exciting. The concept of fusion cuisine isn't new. Throughout history, trade routes and migrations have led to culinary exchanges. However, in recent years, chefs have been pushing the boundaries even further, experimenting with unexpected combinations. Fusion cuisine thrives on creative flavor pairings. From Japanese-Mexican sushi burritos to Indian-inspired pizza, chefs are taking bold steps to craft dishes that challenge our taste perceptions. Cultural crossovers are at the heart of culinary fusion. Dishes like Korean tacos and Thai-inspired pasta are beautiful examples of how cuisines from different corners of the world come together to create gastronomic masterpieces. While fusion cuisine embraces innovation, it also respects culinary traditions. Chefs often pay homage to their roots while introducing modern twists that add depth and excitement to traditional dishes. Let's explore some fascinating global influences. The Peruvian-Japanese fusion known as Nikkei cuisine and the Vietnamese-French fusion seen in banh mi sandwiches are perfect examples of the rich tapestry of culinary fusion. The world has fallen in love with some iconic fusion dishes. We'll take a closer look at the ever-popular cronut, the fusion of croissant and donut that took the pastry world by storm. You don't need to be a professional chef to embrace culinary fusion. In fact, you can experiment with fusion flavors in your own kitchen. We'll guide you through creating a delicious dish that combines unexpected elements. While fusion cuisine is celebrated, it's not without its share of controversies. Critics argue that authenticity can be lost in the pursuit of novelty. We'll explore both sides of the debate. And there you have it, fellow foodies. A delectable exploration of the world of culinary fusion. We hope this journey has left you inspired to embrace creativity in your kitchen and savor the beautiful symphony of flavors that fusion cuisine offers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep savoring new and exciting content. Thanks for joining us on this gastronomic adventure. If your taste buds are craving more, explore our channel for more culinary delights and cultural explorations. Until next time, keep experimenting with flavors and celebrating the wonderful diversity of food. Bon appetit!